Okay, hello, this is Ares again with a new tutorial for the Fief team on how to use the plastic system to get the Unity project files. So once you are in the plastic system, you'll have to create an account in Unity. I think we can just skip that part. Once you have downloaded the Unity Hub from the Unity website, here I am with the last version of Unity Hub. You will have this screen. You will have nothing here because you will have no projects. You have to click here where it says open, not here. Instead, you're gonna click this arrow and you're gonna click open remote project. So once you open the remote project, you should have this Fief project. uh, you have to click on that one. I cannot because I already have done added, but you should be able to click on Fief and you click next. It will add the project. It might say you don't have the Unity version for it. It will show just like this one with orange sign. You just click the sign and you click open or install the version that you should install, which is the 2021.3.14 F1. Once you do, you will notice this has the source control tag saying that this version it's source control. It means it's on the cloud. uh, you will have to download it from the cloud once, and then you will have the files, and those files will update every time we make changes. So when you open for the first time the project, you will get probably something like this. uh, you will have other things here because you will load the last scene that was open. But in case you don't understand any of this, you don't have to. You just have to go and click here where it says PlasticSCM. If you don't find it here, you can go to Window. I think it's Plastic, and it will open this. If you want, you can also click here in the plastic button. It will open this. So what is this? I'm gonna dock it here so you can see it, because this is the only thing you wanna use, honestly, or at least is the only thing you should use, honestly. So for example, here I have two changes that I made, and if I make a new changes, for example, I'm gonna change uh, this new lighting setting. I'm gonna change the name to another new lighting settings, and yes, you can see when I change this, it will add this to the change list. So I can commit my changes, and every other member of the team in plastic will be able to go to here to incoming changes, and here we'll have the list of all the new changes, and then you have to press update workspace to download all the new changes. So once you have all the new changes, it will say you are up to date, and here in the project you will have like all the project with all the folders, like all the scripts. You have all the scenes here. But if you don't want to like start touching everything, which is actually what you gotta do, you don't have to touch anything, but you can use here the filter to find the main scene names, which for example in this case is the intro for the intro scene, which is this one. The name is intro. All the scenes will have this Unity icon, so don't open anything that's not with the Unity icon. If you want to go well, you should always start with the intro. You should always type intro, open the intro, and then you hit play. And once you hit play, you will be actually playing the game in the last version, and that's the thing that we want to accomplish, that anyone with access to the plastic system will be able to play the last version uh, anytime he want, and it will also have access to all the files on all the scripts. And I'm now gonna show a preview of all the scripts. Okay, so, so you can play this game inside Unity, and the left window here we can see the actual scene in the back stage of the scene. You can see how all the scene is staged. So for the scripts, where do we find the scripts? So we actually are refactoring this, so all of the scripts has to be inside this Fief icon, or at least 80% of the scripts, which are all our managers. For example, let's open the backend manager. Just double click here, it will load with Visual Studio. So here you will be able to see like all the scripts. We are trying to document this, have this very organized and clean, just in case anyone has to take a look. It will for sure find what they are looking for. So yeah, we actually have a lot of scripts, like a lot, and I mean a lot of scripts. Probably nobody will have time to check every single script, but that's okay. The files are there in case you need it. Everything is here, like every texture, model, FBX, animation, icon, script, a scene, every plugin, everything we are using, every model, every effects, everything is here. So you just make sure you're up to date, and you will be good to go. So yeah, if you have any problems, don't doubt to DM me. I'll be there to assist you in case you have problems, which I expect, because Unity is quite very well known for have for having problems. So that's the way it is. Okay, so I hope you understand. You can come back and talk to me if you have any issues. Okay, this is Ares. Have a good year, end of the year, by the way, and goodbye.